Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we're diving into the revival of an Indian automotive icon, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Known as the car of the people and the politicians, the Ambassador is back in a modern avatar while staying true to its nostalgic roots. Let's explore what this new version has to offer and whether it lives up to its legendary status. Timeless design, now refined. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ retains the familiar retro silhouette that made it an icon, but with several key modern touches. The signature round headlamps, bold grille, and long bonnet remain intact, giving it that unmistakable Ambassador stance. However, subtle additions like LED DRLs, chrome-finished accents, and a sleeker bumper make it blend seamlessly with today's automotive aesthetics. This fusion of vintage charm with modern sophistication is what makes the 2025 model a true head-turner. Interior, classic meets contemporary. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that honors the Ambassador's heritage while embracing the future. Plush leatherette seats, a dual-tone dashboard, ambient lighting, and a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay bring the comfort and convenience of a new-age sedan. Rear legroom is generous, staying true to the Ambassador's reputation as a backseat king. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ambassador is powered by a BS6 Phase 2 compliant 1,800 cubic centimeters ISZ petrol engine, developed with refined tuning for smoother city and highway drives. It delivers around 100 brake horsepower and 145 Nm torque, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The ride quality is cushioned, thanks to enhanced suspension tuning and improved chassis dynamics, making it ideal for Indian roads. While not built for speed, it's built for dependable, comfortable motoring. Features and safety. In terms of features, the new Ambassador comes loaded with ABS EBD, dual airbags, rear parking sensors, hill hold assist, and a reverse camera. Cruise control and keyless entry add to the premium experience. It's no longer a bare-bones machine, it's a well-equipped, safe, and sensible sedan for today's drivers. Final thoughts, worth the hype? The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ isn't just a comeback, it's a bold reimagining. It blends the past with the present in a package that evokes emotion and offers practicality. For those who grew up seeing it on the streets or riding in the back seat, this is more than just a car, it's a time machine with modern upgrades. Stay tuned with Pro Wheelhouse for more exciting auto content.